Cultivating Gratitude, a guided meditation for mental wellness. Welcome everyone to today's meditation session. Thank you for being here. Today, we will focus on cultivating gratitude. Gratitude has the power to transform our mindset and enhance our overall well-being. Let's take this time to connect with our inner selves and appreciate the positive aspects of our lives. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale deeply and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your body to relax. Feel any tension melting away with each exhale. Bring your awareness to the present moment, letting go of any distractions. What qualities do they possess that bring you joy? How do they make you feel? As you hold this image in your mind, allow yourself to feel the warmth of gratitude spreading through your heart. Take a few moments to silently express your gratitude to this person or thing. You might say thank you, either in your mind or aloud. Feel the appreciation and love growing within you, expanding with every breath. Now, let's take a few moments to reflect on your life. What other things are you grateful for? Think about the small moments that bring you joy, like a warm cup of tea, a sunny day, or a kind word from a friend. Allow these thoughts to fill your mind, appreciating the abundance in your life. As we begin to bring this meditation to a close, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for participating in today's meditation. After this practice, I invite you to take a few moments to reflect on your experience. You may want to journal about the following prompts. What emotions did you experience during the meditation? Did any specific memories or thoughts come to mind when focusing on gratitude? How do you feel now compared to before the meditation? Are there any actions you can take to carry this sense of gratitude into your daily life? Journaling can be a powerful tool for deepening your meditation experience. Allow yourself to write freely, without judgment, and revisit your reflections in the future. Thank you again for joining today. May you carry this sense of gratitude with you throughout your day. At Isabella's Homes, we believe in supporting your well-being and mental health every step of the way. We hope this practice brings you peace and positivity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated.